let's get down to business. Today, I don't know if you've seen, I'm just putting my hair up because when you cook, we don't want no nasty hairs flying in that food, if you know what I'm saying. There is this thing called back-to-back chef, where on Bon Appetit, Carla cooks with a person and they're back to back, and she reads out a recipe and she describes what they're doing, but they cannot see anything. So I saw it pop up on my recommended and I was like, hang on a sec, if I don't watch that, I could do it as if I was David Dobrik, as if I was the person that she was trying to teach, because all we need is the sound. So I'm gonna put my headphones in this. Don't know where I'm gonna put my phone though. Should all my dungarees, so I know. Oh, hang on, I can wear an apron. Getting very official. So what we're going to be making is some old things. I've just broken this, I don't know how to fix it. I'm just going to tighten it up, it's fine. Vietnamese spring rolls, that's what they're called. There was a recipe down below, but I haven't looked at it. So I just put all the ingredients on the recipe that's down below. We're in Sainsbury's trying to get the bits, and they don't have plain rice noodle sheets, so I've gone for this little kit situation. Ready? Hey! Score in the door. Wow, marinated artichokes. Jessie needs some sweet corn.
The fishing.
Dun dun dun. Will we find it? Oh.
Found it.
Ho ho ho. Green giant. Look, it's Sammy the sausage dog, but what's even better is the party sloth. Oh yeah.
Really popular now, sloths.
It's me.
You've seen them everywhere.
Joking. I am a sloth. The irony, because I'm not lazy. Am I? Should I get some chocolate milk? Yes, come with me, my friend.
Bought that.
That's gluten-free. When are they going to bring out a dairy-free panettone? And it's chocolate chip, Jess, that's our favourite. Absolutely buzzing. I've been looking for these everywhere and they haven't. Is the flash on?
Yes, it's on.
Oh my gosh, I just fell over. The best aisle in the world. Jess,
look.
I think they've stopped doing the Cheetos in here. They did these really good flamey Cheetos and they don't do them, I don't think. Why does this crack me up? El Nacho Cheese. El Nacho Cheese. This is when you come to the shop for one thing and leave.
Add a value.
Look at this long cucumber. It's not green, isn't there?
If a new angle.
You struggling, maybe? And I don't know what utensils we need, so this could potentially go chaotic. I really need some wireless headphones, don't I? I need to level up my headphone games, quite frankly. But let me get the prawns. Now, they called this shrimp. Now, in England, there are no shrimps. I don't know if there are, but I couldn't find them in Sainsbury's, and all I could find was shell-on prawns. So I'm hoping that that is right. Hands up, it may be wrong. "20 minutes to make spring rolls." Oh wait, I have to put it away because I can't see anything. 4 shrimp, oh my gosh.
And the first thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna twist body away from the head, like twisting opposite directions, and just twist off the head.
Twist the head. 2 quick things I want to say. I definitely brought the wrong thing. I should have bought shrimps, but I bought prawns. But I don't really know if they are a thing in the UK. I've never seen shrimp. I've always seen prawn. Also, prepare for me to get real dramatic about the prawns. Real dramatic. What is that in there? What is that? They're little eggs. Why are there so many eggs? I need some scissors.
Got 'em.
Okay, cool. So then I find it easier if you turn the shrimp over where the legs are, and we want to cut the shell off. So you just have to slip the blade.
I don't think it needs a shrimp.
Peel the rest of the shell off and then just pull the tail out.
Why are there eggs?
I have a bunch of dangly like head gut stuff.
I don't have any head gunk. Is that what it's supposed to look like? I want to look so bad. Okay, we're going to devein it, but I don't think there is a vein here. There's so many eggs. I swear that's illegal. Is that a vein? Is that a vein? Oh, every time I see prawns, I get a little bit sad. I don't normally eat prawns because it reminds me of Shark Tale. You know the little fish guy? The little guy who just wanted to live when they're in the restaurant. I don't like this. I feel like I'm breaking its back. Oh, something spurted out. Why are there so many eggs in there? This is illegal. No! Why are there eggs in there? Oh my gosh, Wait. Can I bring these eggs back to life? You know, like Josh Peters made a duck come to life, which I would still love to know if that's true or not, or if that's fake. I want a duck, and I feel like I could make a duck happen. Also, sorry if I'm not making much sense because I've got people talking in my ear. You know those celebrity programs where they do like a prank show? Okay, wait, you're gonna have to pause because Ant and Dec do that show. It's like at my ear and they like prank people. How do people do that? Because I can't focus when there's people talking in my ear and I'm trying to talk. As you could probably see, I don't know how much sense that section of the video just made. But if I see more eggs, I'm gonna freak out. Isn't it funny how big their eyes are in comparison to their little bodies? Right, we're just gonna work with 4 because that's what she said. She said, I need to wash my hands because I've got shrimp guts on them. So BRB. Instead, put them in simmering water. But there's literally, I've never seen a more sad looking pan. Just 4 tiny little prawns.
Now we have this tray with vegetables and things.
Vegetables.
We're gonna choose 2 crunchy things. So the crunchy things are the cucumber, the carrot.
This is the longest cucumber I've ever seen in my life. Although, can I just show you guys something? Yesterday I went to Costco and I thought I couldn't find a cucumber. And look what I found. Baby cucumbers. What's up next, Carla? Take us through. Okay, well, Carla, we need to feel it first. You didn't tell us that, did you, Carla? Sorry, don't listen to her. She's just angry that it's all going a bit wrong. It's not your fault. We love you, Carla. She gets a bit stressed sometimes, alright?
So this carrot, just cut it in half crosswise.
Oh,
You want some prawns?
just brush my teeth.
Oh, I need to put the shrimp in ice water. Got my shrimps.
They pulled them apart.
Yeah, Justin, I'm not gonna lie.
It's good fun, isn't it?
No, there were eggs in there.
Yeah, on the bottom side.
Why?
On the tail.
Why?
It means it's a female.
Oh. She goes so quickly, Jessie, I just can't do it. Okay, we've got our matchsticks, I think. Right, we've got our carrot sticks, and now she said to do the exact same with the cucumber. Maybe the little snacking ones would be better. I'm gonna use the baby one. Why is food so much better in its baby form? Right. Oh, I just ripped the bag. Perhaps I don't know my own strength. Okay, so we're gonna do the same sort of a thing. These are just basically perfect little matchsticks. The baby cucumbers were a shout, guys. Cucumber, check. Check, they're the same length. Perfect. Sometimes I do wonder what's going on in my brain. Like, what am I thinking about? What's going on in there? Is it like a party? Is it a chill vibe? Is it just chaos? We don't know.
We have our crunchy stuff done. Now we need to choose a slippery thing. Slippery choices are avocado or mango.
Hang on, she said avocado or mango, but that's not on the recipe. The tomato? That's slippery, isn't it? This is probably all wrong, but if you don't have the avocado or mango on the recipe, what am I supposed to do? I've got to think on my feet, do you know what I mean? That's the key to a good chef. Okay, I'm just gonna freestyle this because they're gonna be doing the mango at the moment, so we're just gonna freestyle.
Okay, now just take the lettuce.
Lettuce.
And now take a rice paper round.
Now I know I prepared this, I got some hot water, because I know you're supposed to... Where's our dipping sauce? Hang on the recipe there's a dipping sauce. So we're going to do the rice paper, and then we're going to do the herbs. What are these noodles? But these are going to go wobbly. You have to simmer it for about 3 minutes. So bear with me for a little interlude. We do a hot dance moment. Should I just make the sauce by myself? Are they going to make the sauce? You thought I was going to do that, didn't you? But then I turned it into a different dance move. That's just the kind of girl I am. Why don't I prepare the sauce? Should I just prepare it myself? Although, in my little Vietnamese spring roll pack, they did give a little dipping sauce.
I've only got 4 prawns.
Because that's what she said.
4? You
Yeah.
brought the wrong one. You're supposed to buy jumbo. That's supposed to be
jumbo!
It's not jumbo, Grace.
Did you not see how big they were?
They're tiny. You're not having that as a meal. Where's the rest of it?
That's what I'm saying, it's a snack.
That's a...
I know I'm not supposed to touch cat sauce in the cooking, but I will wash my hands, which is just so cute. Love you. Right, I'm just gonna wash my hands now.
You're about to get mugged up for that dinner.
It's not a dinner!
Shot, whatever it is.
Okay guys, we have got our rice noodles, got our dipping sauce. So, sometimes I go into Australian accent when I'm distressed. So weird, it just looks like there's nothing in there. I think I've overdone it.
Over, get it wet again. So it should be like pretty translucent and kind of pliable now.
Yeah.
I've overdone it. It's fine.
Shrimp halves, a couple of basil leaves, and a couple of cilantro. I'll take a few carrot sticks and a couple of pieces of cuke. Take a little handful of noodles, a lettuce leaf.
So I'm at all this work and I'm making one poxy spring roll. Cucumber, noodles. See, you didn't tell us to cook those, did you?
Right, see ya.
Bye. Oh my.
A dipping sauce.
Oh yeah, there's the dipping sauce, Carla. I've said it once and I'll say it again. Apologies, Carla. Don't take it personally. She just gets a bit aggy when she's a bit stressed, alright? We love you. Big fans. Can I just say, I flipping love a dipping sauce bowl. It's time to taste it. Here it is. And then I just guess you dip it in. That's so weird. Right, I'm going to see what theirs look like and see how different mine is from theirs. That was a weird experience. Mine looks the same, but it's just a bit, I don't really know what to say about that. That was a bit of a disappointment. I feel like I need some spring rolls now. I think I did Carla, I think I did her some credit because it turned out okay. I just feel like I prefer a crispy fried spring roll. Do you know what I mean? That's like, ooh, a Whole Foods version of spring rolls. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out. Love you.